Hi everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore notes on your iPhone 17 Pro. At first we need to begin with opening the Notes application. Here, as you can see, the default folder in Notes is this one, and you should see this note as a list. But to restore our notes, we have to go back to folders. Tap on recently deleted, tap on your note, and this is your note. Tap edit, select your note, and here you can tap on move. Here you can move it to notes, call recordings, math notes, quick notes, or new folder. If you tap notes, your note is now restored. As you can see, notes today. Your note is now restored. And that's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.